The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 delivers spacious sound, clear dialogue, and rich bass for your movies, music, and games. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your soundbar. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you'll find your Bose Smart Soundbar 300. Lift up this insert to reveal a quick start guide and important safety information. You'll also find the remote, an optical cable, and a power cord. Okay, now let's set up your Smart Soundbar 300. Begin by centering the soundbar in front of the TV. Next, let's connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. The soundbar will automatically power on. The light bar will glow amber once it's in setup mode. Please note, if you leave your soundbar in this state for an extended period of time, you may have to reactivate setup mode. To do so, aim the remote at the soundbar and then press and hold the mute and music buttons until the light bar glows amber. Okay, now to complete setup and access all the features your soundbar has to offer, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then select Speakers and Soundbars. A scan will begin searching for your soundbar. Once it appears, click Add. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your soundbar to Wi-Fi, set up sharing settings, connect accessory speakers, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region. Of course, you'll also need to connect the soundbar to your TV. We recommend using the included optical cable or an HDMI cable if your TV supports HDMI ARC. If connecting with the optical cable, remove the protective cap from both ends. Align one end of the plug with your TV's optical out port and insert the plug carefully. Next, align the plug with the optical in port on the back of the soundbar. Firmly push the plug into the port until you feel or hear a click. When using an optical cable, you can also take advantage of the Autowake feature, which automatically powers on the soundbar whenever a sound signal is received. To enable or disable it, press and hold the power button on the remote for 5 seconds until the light bar pulses white twice. If your TV has an HDMI ARC port, this will allow you to control the power, volume, and mute functions of the Smart Soundbar 300 with the remote you currently use to control your TV. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI ARC port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI ARC port on the back of the soundbar. Your Bose Smart Soundbar 300 is now set up. For additional support, visit our website.